One of my subscribers on YouTube said, Tom, please tell us about your meat experience. My meat experience as a vegan's meat experience. Now, first of all, let me just say, I do not condemn anyone for what they eat. And what we eat, what we put into our bodies for fuel, is up to each individual. And I don't want to argue about this is better, that's better. I'm just talking about what works for me, and I'm going to be 76 this year in 2025, and this is what works for me. That's it. And you know, if you like my channel and you think that what I'm doing is working for me, maybe you'd want to try it as well. So, the meat experience. What did I find? I wasn't adversely affected too much, I should say. I don't think so. The only thing I think that meat does that I personally don't like, it creates an acidic reaction in the body. And acid creates inflammation. Acid is hot. It creates inflammation. And when you're trying to heal something or you're trying to recover from a workout, let's say, acid is not what you want. You don't want more heat, more inflammation. You want cooling foods like fruits, vegetables. So that's why, I mean, I'm back to eating, you know, a plant-based or vegan diet, whatever you want to call it. I don't eat animal products right now. Will I ever? I don't think so, but who knows? I may have a piece of meat in the future. I can't say for sure what I'm going to do. And because, as I just mentioned, well, let me put it this way. When you look at people on the internet, okay? Now, many of you may see the carnivore people out there like Dr. Paul Saladino. Now, you look at him. He is very fit. He's fit, but I think that Dr. Saladino made a very good move recently. I forget exactly when he did it, because I don't follow him. I mean, I'll watch once in a while, but the thing is, he started adding fruit to his diet. That was very smart. Because meat, if you're just on a strictly carnivore, you're getting no water, no fiber. Very difficult to digest and get through your system. Plus, you're getting a lot of saturated fat, which can eventually start to clog the arteries. And most of these carnivores are young. Okay, they're 40s, maybe 50s. That's it. Once you get to the 60s, 70s, mid-70s like me, and 80s, meat is extremely difficult on the body. But you look at him a little bit, well, he's eating more than a little bit. He's eating a lot of meat, but he's very active. And now he's got the water and the fiber from the fruit. So my point is, and this is a personal decision of mine. If you think it may work for you, fine, try it. I don't want the animal-based foods because they're creating too much acid. They take too long to digest, expending my energy, which I need for life and to work out, to play tennis. So that's the reasons I don't do it. And I think as you get older, it's going to be much tougher for these carnivores to sustain that diet. or they're going to slow down tremendously. Okay, I think that, you know, a plant-based diet can keep you active and functional longer. So that was my experience. I just, you know, if you've never had shingles before, it's hard to understand. But I developed PHN, post-herpetic neuralgia. I still had the burning, the prickling, the sensitivity, the pain, and for 9, 10 months. And I was desperate at the time, and I figured, well, maybe there's something in that meat that's going to help me get over this. But, and who knows? We don't know everything. Scientists, you know, they don't know everything. No, only God knows. And God gave humans meat when Noah came out of the flood. God said it's okay to eat meat. So as far as I'm concerned, it's okay. It's okay to eat meat. It's fine. But I personally choose not to because of what I just mentioned. It creates acid, and it's harder to digest, expending too much of my energy. And there were people in the Bible that were plant-based eaters. So before the flood, everybody was eating plants. And they did pretty well. They survived. So it's my choice. I want to stay on this. I think I'm getting plenty of protein, plenty of all the nutrients. Actually, I think it's a more nutrient-dense diet when you focus more on fruits and vegetables instead of animal-based products. So that's my experience. Please post any questions or comments below. And if you want to come to beautiful Naples, Florida, and work with me, work on your fitness, work on your diet, I can help you. I can create a custom package for you. So just text me from my website in the description box below, and I look forward to working with you. All the best. Take care.